Welcome to our journey into the magical world of CGI, where imagination meets technology to create the impossible. The magic of movies more than meets the eye. Have you ever watched a movie and wondered, how did they do that? The answer often lies in the incredible world of special effects, a realm where imagination meets technology. Movies today are full of amazing special effects that make the impossible possible. From breathtaking landscapes to mind-bending action sequences, special effects transport us to worlds beyond our wildest dreams. Characters fly, dinosaurs come to life, and explosions rock the screen. These moments captivate our senses and leave us in awe, wondering how such feats are achieved. A lot of this magic comes from CGI. But what exactly is CGI and how does it work? CGI stands for computer-generated imagery. It's a technology that allows artists to create stunning visuals using computer software. It's how we create things in movies and TV shows that are too difficult, dangerous, or expensive to film in real life. Imagine trying to film a real dinosaur or a superhero flying through the sky. Remember Buzz Lightyear flying in Toy Story or the incredible world of Pandora in Avatar. These iconic moments were brought to life through the power of CGI. That's the power of CGI. It allows filmmakers to push the boundaries of storytelling and create visuals that were once thought impossible. It helps filmmakers tell stories in ways never imagined before. With CGI, the only limit is the creator's imagination. So how do they do it? The process of creating CGI is both complex and fascinating. Let's take a peek behind the curtain and see how CGI makes movie magic. From initial concept art to the final rendered scene, every step is a blend of creativity and technical skill. Artists start by sketching out their ideas, which are then transformed into digital models. These models are textured, lit, and animated to bring them to life. The final step involves rendering, where the computer processes all the data to create the stunning visuals we see on screen. It's a meticulous process that requires a team of talented artists and technicians working together to create something truly extraordinary. So next time you watch a movie and find yourself amazed by the visuals, remember the incredible work that goes on behind the scenes to make it all possible. CGI, or computer-generated imagery, is like digital art for movies. It's a fascinating blend of technology and creativity that brings our favorite films to life. Imagine drawing pictures on a computer, but instead of flat images, you create objects, characters, and even entire worlds in 3 dimensions. These digital creations can be as simple as a single character or as complex as an entire universe. Traditional animation is different. Think of hand-drawn cartoons. Each frame is drawn by an artist. This method requires immense patience and skill, as every single movement is captured frame by frame. CGI uses computers to do the drawing and create the movement. The software can generate thousands of frames in a fraction of the time it would take to draw them by hand, allowing for more complex and dynamic scenes. This doesn't mean there's no artistry involved in CGI. In fact, the digital artists behind these creations are incredibly talented. They use their skills to design characters, build environments, and animate scenes that captivate audiences. In fact, it takes a lot of creativity and skill to make these digital creations look believable and lifelike on screen. The artists pay attention to every detail, from the way light reflects off surfaces to the subtle movements of a character's face. CGI is used in many blockbuster movies to create stunning visual effects that would be impossible to achieve with traditional methods. It allows filmmakers to bring their wildest imaginations to life, blending seamlessly with live-action footage. Beyond movies, CGI is also a crucial part of video games. It helps create immersive worlds and realistic characters that players can interact with, making the gaming experience more engaging and lifelike. Additionally, CGI plays a significant role in virtual reality, where it helps build interactive environments that users can explore. This technology is pushing the boundaries of what's possible in digital art and entertainment. So, the next time you watch a movie, play a video game, or experience virtual reality, take a moment to appreciate the incredible artistry and technology behind the CGI. It's a testament to human creativity and innovation. Every CGI creation starts with an idea, a story. The filmmakers write a script and plan what will happen in each scene. Next, artists create storyboards. These are like comic books of the movie. They show the action and how the camera will move. Think of it as a blueprint for the CGI artist. This planning stage is crucial. It ensures that everyone involved in the CGI process understands the vision for each scene and how it fits into the story. Now the real CGI magic begins. Using special software, artists build everything in the computer. They create characters, objects, and environments. Imagine building with digital clay. Artists mold and shape objects to look real. They add details like wrinkles on a shirt or leaves on a tree. This process is called 3D modeling. It's like sculpting, but instead of clay, we use points, lines, and shapes on a computer. Section 5. Adding color and texture, making it real. With the models built, it's time to add color and texture. Artists use digital paint to color the models. They add details like wood grain, fur, or metal. Think of it like wrapping a present. We take the models and cover them with materials that have color and texture. This process, called texturing, makes the CGI objects look realistic and interesting. It's amazing how a simple change in texture can transform a flat, colorless model into something that looks real. Section 6. Ready for action rigging and animation. In this section, we delve into the fascinating world of rigging and animation, where our static CGI creations are given the breath of life. This is a crucial step in the animation pipeline, transforming lifeless models into dynamic characters ready for action. Now our CGI creations need to move. This is where the magic truly begins. Without movement, our characters would remain static and uninteresting. Animation breathes life into them, making them relatable and engaging for the audience. Rigging is like adding bones to a skeleton. It's the process of creating a digital framework that allows the character to move in a realistic manner. Think of it as constructing the internal structure that supports all the movements and poses. Artists create a digital skeleton for each character or object that needs to move. This involves placing bones and joints in strategic locations, ensuring that the character can perform a wide range of motions. The rigging process is meticulous and requires a deep understanding of anatomy and movement. These digital bones allow the characters to move realistically. The rigging process ensures that when an animator moves a bone, the corresponding parts of the character move in a natural and believable way. Next comes animation, where the real artistry begins. Artists use the rig to pose the characters and create movement. They create facial expressions, walking cycles, and action sequences. This involves setting keyframes and adjusting the character's position frame by frame to create smooth and fluid motion. This is where the characters really come to life. Through animation, characters can express emotions, perform complex actions, and interact with their environment in a believable way. The animator's skill and creativity are crucial in making the characters feel alive and engaging. It's like puppetry, but instead of strings, we use computer controls to bring our digital characters to life. Animators manipulate the digital skeletons, adjusting the position and rotation of bones to create the desired movements. This digital puppetry allows for precise control over every aspect of the character's performance, from subtle facial expressions to dynamic action sequences. Section 7. Lights, camera, action, lighting, and rendering. Just like a real movie set, lighting is important. Artists place virtual lights to create shadows and mood. They use different colors and intensities of light to create the desired look and feel for the scene. Want a sunset scene? They add warm orange light. Finally, the computer takes all the information and creates the images. This is called rendering. It's like taking a photo of the digital scene. Section 8. The final touch, compositing. The final step is compositing. This is where artists combine all the CGI elements with live-action footage. They layer the images together, adjust colors, and add special effects like explosions or smoke. This seamless blending of real and computer-generated elements is what makes CGI so magical. Section 9. CGI and action, from toys to superheroes. CGI is everywhere in movies today. Remember Woody and Buzz from Toy Story? They were created with CGI. The entire world of Pandora in Avatar was also created with CGI. And the epic battles in the Avengers? CGI brought those superhero fights to life. From animated classics to live-action blockbusters, CGI has revolutionized the way stories are told on screen, making the impossible possible and captivating audiences worldwide. Section 10. A team effort. Artists and technicians working together. Creating CGI is a team effort. It takes talented artists and skilled technicians working together. Artists bring the creativity. They design the characters, create the worlds, and make everything look amazing. Technicians make it all work. They understand the software and computers that make CGI possible. It's this special blend of art and technology that makes CGI so unique. Section 11. The future of CGI: endless possibilities. CGI is always evolving. As technology improves, so does the quality of CGI in movies. In the future, CGI will become even more realistic. We'll see new ways of using CGI to tell stories and create amazing experiences for audiences. Who knows what incredible worlds and characters CGI will bring to life in the future? The possibilities are endless! If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Tech TV channel for more tech tips, tutorials, and the latest updates on all things tech. We have a lot more exciting content coming your way, and you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. We'll see you in the next video.